Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to do a little update for my $52,000 dividend portfolio. Yeah, a few things changed. Monday was as we expected, a pretty crazy day in the market. It started out with everything red. It was a very red day, but it was not as red as we thought. You know, everyone was saying, this was going to be a huge crash. I didn't think it was going to be that bad, and it turned out to actually not be that terrible. Misty, our biggest position, was the one that I was worried about because it opened up at in the pre-market. It was like around 24, like low $24. I on one of my accounts I did snag some up at the price range of 24.50 in the pre-market, which was nice. But as soon as the market opened, Misty just started slowly going up. It went from like $25, and I think it ended the day like almost $27. Today it's sitting over $27. It's almost actually $28 as we speak. But yeah, that was something that I was worried about, but it didn't stay red that long. Bitcoin went back over 100,000, and I think it got to 102,000. So yeah, Monday was an interesting day. Today, there was a lot of news, a lot of political news also, but the market actually performed pretty well. I mean, it wasn't too much of a change. Bitcoin did change. It dropped to around like 97,000 a few times. I think it's like sitting at 98,000 right now. So we'll see what happens with crypto going forward. But let's get into the portfolio. Let's talk about some updates and some things that happened. So, Misty did not change in this portfolio. We still have 1,025 shares. Ulti, same thing, 450 shares. NVIDIA, 155 shares. Coney, 65 shares. Ybit, 35 shares. YMAG, 20 shares. YieldMax, 400 shares. Now, the things that did change was I sold TSLY, 400 shares of TSLY, and I sold AIYY, 125 shares. And the reason behind these sales is because I'm opening up different options for myself here. I do like Tesla and I do like AI, but I think I'm going to focus more on building up these ones a little heavier, and I feel like we could catch Tesla or TSLY and AIYY at a better price later on if we do feel like jumping back in. But for right now, I kind of want to use this money. I sold it for $5,400 total, and I kind of want to use this money to build up these positions on like days that it's red or it drops. I'm really liking NVIDIA like in this price range. It's hanging out around 1840s right now, 1860s, 1870s. It bounces around like in 18s, which is pretty crazy because it's been above 20 for the past few months, And I do believe in NVIDIA. So I think I want to work on getting NVIDIA a little higher, and I do need to work on my weeklies. The reason why I need to work on my weeklies is because I don't like seeing my account drop down so heavy in these red days. Monday, my account was down pretty bad, and I just feel like I'm overextending myself by putting so much money into the stocks that pay monthly. So Misty pays monthly, Ulti, NVIDIA, Coney, Ybit, TSLY, AI. They all pay like once a month. And I don't really want to rely on that. I kind of want to go for more of a weekly strategy as well. So I think I'm going to focus on NVIDIA, which is a monthly one, but I want to go heavier into YMAG. And YMAG it's the Magnificent Seven. So I'm going to get Tesla in there. I'm going to get NVIDIA in there and just kind of build up my weekly portfolio as well. Besides that, the reason behind AIYY getting out was there's another YieldMax stock. Is it LFGY? I think LFGY is the crypto one. I can't remember which one. There's a new stock that kind of goes over like the AI, and it pays weekly. So I think I might try to look into that one as well. I can't remember it. We'll get back to you on that. But yeah, we're switching things around. We have some cash available. We have margin available if we need. I just feel like right now in the market, anything can happen. Trump makes one tweet or Elon makes a tweet, and the market changes. So right now it's just it's hard to see where the market is heading just because of all of the politics going on. But I'm hoping for a good